Hi there, it's Tom here at Startin SKODA, just doing a vehicle walk around our ex-demonstrator Superb estate. This is the SEL with the 2 litre diesel 190 PS DSG engine and gearbox variant, finished with the 19-inch upgraded alloy wheels. This car is also the 2020 year model, which you can tell by the new badge display at the rear of the car. Car comes standard with electric tailgate with a huge boot area, as well as a spare wheel located just underneath the boot floor. Moving around to the rear seats in the car. Plenty of space for children and adults alike. Also featuring the ISOFIX for child seats. As we move round to the front of the vehicle, full leather interior. This leather interior has also been upgraded with the ventilated seats, so the car features both heated and cooling of the seats, perfect for summer and winter. The car also has the upgraded Columbus navigation system and screen, so this features the slightly bigger touchscreen display in the car. Full dual zone climate controlled air conditioning, as I said, with the heated and the ventilated seats on there. We have the 7-speed DSG gearbox, also featuring the drive mode select to change between eco, normal, sport and also individual. Car also features the adaptive cruise control, perfect for those longer journeys on the motorway. As well as the car having the automatic lights, it's also got the LED matrix lights on the front as well with the adaptive full beam assist. This car's only travelled just over 8,000 miles. It's a perfect example of how a Superb should be spec'd, very highly. If you'd like to know any more information or even book a test drive on this particular vehicle or any of our other Superb stock, please don't hesitate to contact us on 01905 830 361 and ask for Tom.